Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best straight edge for circular so you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many straight edge for circular saw and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each straight edge for circular saw, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a straight edge for a circular saw. The first thing to check is the material and build quality, as it should be rigid, durable, and resistant to bending for accurate cuts. Next, look for a straight edge that offers secure clamping or locking mechanisms to keep it firmly in place during use. You should also consider the length and compatibility with your saw type to ensure it fits your cutting needs. Some straight edges offer measurement markings, which can help with precision and efficiency. Portability and ease of storage are additional factors if you move between job sites. Finally, always compare prices and read reviews to make sure you get good value and reliability. These points will help you choose the right straight edge for your circular saw. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.